I hear this question all the time. Which is better, Apple Photos or Lightroom? In this video, I am going to help you decide which tool is the right fit for you. If you find videos like this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi, I am Ana Carvajal, a certified photo manager, and I help people organize and protect their photo collections. I have been in business for about 6 years, but I've been doing photo organizing on my own family collection for decades. I use both applications, Apple Photos and Lightroom Classic, in my photo organizing business, so I can give you real life examples of how I choose what application to use. This is obviously intended for Apple users, but the Lightroom component actually applies to PC users as well. So if you're here, feel free to stay. Before we dive in, I'm curious, what are you using right now? Apple Photos, Lightroom Classic, or something else? Let me know in the comments. And if you find videos like this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. The truth is, both these tools are excellent, but they are built for different types of users. We're not going to pit one application against the other. That's not the point. Instead, we're going to see how each application can help you with your own personal project. Let's do a quick overview of each tool. Apple Photos is designed to be simple and automatic. It is great if you're already using an iPhone or a Mac, you're in the same ecosystem. A lot of organization happens for you, thank you AI. You already understand your collections since it is probably coming from the photos that are taken with your own iPhone. It has a lower learning curve and it is very easy to share your content with others. Now let's talk about Lightroom. Lightroom Classic is a more powerful professional level tool and completely different from the Lightroom cloud ecosystem. It gives you much more control over editing and organizing. It has a lot of features Apple Photos doesn't, but it does come with a big learning curve and the cost of an additional subscription. So here are some key differences that matter. Apple Photos feels familiar, as it is a part of an ecosystem you're already used to, versus Lightroom Classic's busy workspace that can actually feel overwhelming to a new user. I do want to point out that Lightroom Classic is the gold standard for organizing, and it is what we would recommend to any serious user that is interested in organizing big, complex family collections. So who should use Apple Photos? You should use Apple Photos if you are on an Apple ecosystem already, if you are familiar with your own photo collection, if you're looking for a straightforward way to organize your photos, and if you want to easily use your photos in books, calendars, Christmas cards. It's a great way to have those ready for projects. Who should use Lightroom Classic? You should use Lightroom Classic if you have inherited lots of material, both digital and print, from various collections that actually need organizing. If you want to manipulate metadata to make your collection really searchable, or if you need to do a lot more advanced editing. Don't get distracted by a bright and shiny thing. If you have started organizing, stick to the system that you know or have a very robust migration plan in place. Try to avoid thinking of your collection only in today's term. Look at it from a bird's eye view to understand what you want to get out of it. How much time and effort do you really want to spend on it? And see which tools actually accommodate those goals. It's important to have a strategy. Plan your list of keywords, who you want to tag, and what kind of photos you want to keep and what kind of photos you want to get rid of. Make sure to set aside some time in a consistent fashion to move the project forward. And remember to take notes on what you have done that day. This will stop you from revisiting your project every time you sit down to work on it again. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe for more simple, practical photo organizing tips. And if you'd rather not do this yourself, you can always work with a professional photo manager to help you get everything organized. We are here to help. This is what we do all day, every day. Now it's your turn to pick a tool that is within your comfort zone. Make a plan, stay consistent so you can achieve your photo organizing goals.